Okay, this is my third attempt. The first two I did really quickly, kind of like in a pinch, just experimenting. So my spouse gave me some good tips, so I'm working them in and see how it goes. So I cut out a big piece of a bed sheet and I'm just gonna fold it. And the bed sheet is basically some fine woven cotton, so that's gonna be really good to filter. So folding it once, that gives me 2 layers. Folding it again, now that gives me 4 layers. And for me, one last time, it gives me 8 layers. It's pretty good. You know, I end up with a pretty big piece. So for me, I could comfortably wrap that around my face, cover my nose and my mouth, and it's long enough for me to tie it. So I don't need like rubber bands or anything like that. So if you want more protection, you're like more layers, just cut a bigger sheet, you know, cut as long and deep as you need, or you think you need. Okay, that's it. I tied it in a knot in the back. It feels good. You get a little closer, it feels good. You can see there's good protection, you know, you can just kind of tuck it down, make adjustments if you want. I'm breathing fine. You can see the air coming in and out. I'm just exaggerating just so you have an idea. This will be regular breathing. That's regular breathing. And it's good.